would like to explain to all of you that why I feel getting a gold medal in MBBS degree is not worth it. Before telling you why it's not worth it, I'll cover all the aspects you have to do to get in order to get a gold medal. So everyone would be very familiar that to pass in MBBS first, second, or third, or fourth year, you need to get 50%. Distinction is where you get 75% or above. Honors is 85% or above, and gold medal is award to a candidate who is the highest in the college, which is given by the college, or you get it from the university. So a university gold medal is much more valuable because you are top among different colleges put together. You are the best student, you are the best student in the university. So that would be that. And so any all these 50%, 75%, 80%, 100% is going to be split into basically three parts. First is your theory exam, then your practical exam, and finally your internal marks. Now the problem with theory exam is it's more memory based. So as a doctor, I don't think your memory is going to help you, because every patient is unique and every disease is interconnected. So if you know a million bits of information and none of them are connected, like only for example I ask you, uh, say a medium difficulty 1 mark, like say space of DC. Okay, I'll write that down here, space of DC. This is going to be considered a medium tough question in a first year anatomy paper, which uh, a student who's just going to pass mostly won't know the answer to this. Maybe a distinction student may or may not know, but a student aiming to get honors or gold medal will definitely know what this is. So this is also known as perisinusoidal space in the liver. It's basically like a membrane between the blood flowing and the liver hepatocytes. So that is what space of DC is, and that is what the exam expects you to know of space of DC. But unfortunately, it doesn't focus upon why you need to know about space of DC and why, how is it going to be helpful for me, until you go in depth of surgery and understand a little bit about hepatic surgeries and very complicated things which are not common at all and which will present itself in very rare conditions. Only then you will understand the importance of such an anatomical landmark in the liver known as space of DC. So that is what you need to know about space of DC without knowing what it's actually going to do to get a gold medal is the first problem I have with the theory exams. And the second thing is you need to have a good handwriting. Okay, even good handwriting and presentation is key for any kind of extra marks in your exam. You can get away with distinction or pass level if you have bad handwriting and extremely good content, but if you want an honors or gold medalist, it's not going to happen without good handwriting and presentation. What I mean by good handwriting is, see, now if I scribble like this is not going to give a good impression on the examiner, but instead I take the time and write it down neatly like this. We're going to make a better impression. So this is better than this. Now what's better than this is you start using different colors. Okay, you're not allowed to use green pens, red pens in the exam, but other than that you can play with any color you want. I would suggest you stick with blue and black. That's always the best combination. So you need to do that to get extra marks. Then moving on to your practicals, this is where things become very luck based. So your practical marks uh, are mostly dependent on how you present yourself to the examiner, uh, more than how much knowledge you have. Because if they see potential in you, that you have put in the work and you're actually getting very tensed and you're forgetting a lot of facts, some examiners may sympathize for you and give you marks you need to score good, but few examiners will be very strict, and so it's all very subjective and it's purely based on luck, your practical exam. Now your internal exam is something where you can work on. and your internal theory and practical work the same way as in the university exam, except you will be communicating with the professors on a regular basis from your college, so that will determine your mark. And there will be some not so important things like your record and assignment, and there's a significant amount of marks given for this. And if you're planning to get an honors or gold medal, you will definitely need to have these on point. So those are the different aspects of you need to work on to get a honors or gold medal or university rank or whatever it is. So here's why I think it's not worth it. First of all, I think the theory should be more application oriented, and if you're going to ask me something, make sure I know why I know about that. Like now I know about the space of DC, but I still don't know where I'm going to use about the space of DC. It's the same logic where a doctor doesn't need to study maths, but then in your 11th and 12th you need to do really good in your maths to get into your medical college based on your cutoff, because usually your physics, your science marks will be equal, then you'll be ranked based on your next mark, which is your maths or English or French or science, something like that, which is totally not necessary and no way going to help me be a better doctor. But that's what it is, and that to take a lot of effort. And I don't think as a fresher going into MBBS, you solely working for the purpose of getting a gold medal will become very hectic, and it's a very I would say you need to put up with a lot of things your college throws at you, your university gives you, and you need to be on point. And basically, our education system works to make you employable or to make you a good employee. They don't want you to think out of the box and do something absolutely new and which no one has done before, and they are not there to appreciate that kind of stuff. All they want is you do as I say and you will get what you need. And that works for most of the people, because half of them just want a 9 to 5 job to do, and medicine seems to be a good job because it pays off very well and you get the respect. But there's more to medicine and MBBS and than just this gold medal. So my opinion is that I don't need to obtain a gold medal in order for me to know that I'm a good doctor or I've done my MBBS justice. So that would be about this video. Please do comment about all different topics of medical college or your subjects or whatever you want to be covered about. And please do subscribe and share this channel to your friends. Thank you.